Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to use the define tool in Google Docs in three different methods. We use define tools to know what is mean a word in our document. For example, in this page, we have a Google and I don't know what is mean Google. So select the word, any word, and right click on it, and from this menu choose define Google. Click on it. Now in your right side you see dictionary box and with define of Google. In second method you can access the define tool. Again select the word and go to in the top menu, click on tools and choose dictionary. Now again in your right side you see the dictionary box with Google definition. Again in third method you can use with this command Control plus Shift plus Y, and for example this word Google, and easily Control Shift and Y, and you see in the right side the dictionary box with Google definition. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe to our channel and help us to make more video like this. Thanks a lot.